Hey guys, Irene Ketikidi here. Let's have a look at Fade to Black by Metallica. That's actually one of my favorite songs, and in fact, one of the first ones I learned to play on the guitar. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and it's gonna be quite long, but it's got some really interesting parts, both with clean and distortion. We're gonna be simplifying some of those parts for this intermediate version, mainly the chord picking clean parts for the verse sections, and then the faster runs, faster licks at the outro solo. Now, bear in mind that the original recording is slightly, well, it's not exactly E standard because it has been tuned in a different frequency, most probably. So if you want to play along to that, make sure you find a version that has been retuned to E standard, which is actually what we're going to be playing with today. So no need to retune anything. All right, I'm going to start with the intro. This is going to be in B minor for most of the part, and then towards the end, it's going to change to A minor. We've got clean and distortion here. Let me play it at the full speed first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we have it. Quite long, isn't it? So we're starting with a clean tone, and this is a B power chord with an added G string. Next chord is going to be the same thing picked, but with a low A as the bass, and here it is. So all I did was just remove the first finger, right? And just play the same pattern with an A on the bass. Now back to the B. And then we've got a different chord. This is an A major over a C sharp. I'm gonna slide up now to the first position of B minor and start playing the intro solo. All right, so we've got this. I'm starting with a long slide that goes to the 9th fret on the D string, and then I'm just gonna go up in an arpeggio-like movement before I end back on the same note, right? With a vibrato. And then I've got first and second fingers because I want to slide up to the 10th on the B with some vibrato here. Now we've got a really cool legato line. This is a pull-off, well, pull-off and hammer-ons. All with one pick. So starting with the pinky. And I'm going to sort of a trill here. Part of the scale, descending and ascending mostly. These are all picked notes, no vibrato here, interestingly. You'll notice that some of the notes have no vibrato. And the ones that do, there's a little slight vibrato, not some huge aggressive, motion. Then what? So got some semitone movements here. And then I'm gonna move higher now on the neck, which is gonna be position 4, if you like, of B minor. And I've got this really cool lick here. Going back up now. And I'm gonna stretch again. Preferably fingers 4, 2, 1. Very melodic line here. Similar line. One more. So pretty much I'm in the box now. Everything has no stretch. Now here's the part where the key changes to A minor, and we're gonna go and play the same position as B minor, but just a whole tone down. So we're in the same area.